Gnocchi is the quintessential potato flour dumpling. But in Tuscany, they have their very own twist on it, and it's called nudi. And it's not about potato and starch. It's all about fresh ricotta, and lots of it. I've had my ricotta hanging just to extract some of that excess moisture out of it, because what's really important is the consistency of the nudi dough. This is a wedge of Parmigiano Reggiano, probably Italy's most famous cheese. I want you to think of these dumplings as little light, fluffy ravioli fillings without the pasta wrapper. It's all about that light, fluffy texture. It takes a little bit of experience to get it right, but when you do, you'll never want to eat nudi any other way. A little grated nutmeg works super well with spinach and a light, delicate cheese like ricotta. You know, lemons grow in Tuscany, and outside many houses and homes, palazzos, piazzas, you'll see lemon bushes. And it's so tempting just to grab one, roll it in your hands, and smell it. I blanched my spinach by simply dropping it into boiling salted water, plunging it into an ice water bath, which stops the cooking immediately. Now I need something in my mix to enrichen and help bind. Egg yolks. Look how golden yellow those yolks are. Now the next stage in making the perfect nudi is probably the most important. A little flour. And there's no real quantity I can give you other than it's all about feel. A little taste test ensures that you've got the right seasoning and the right flavors. It's gonna be good. These nudi will cook in no time. These gnudi never disappoint, fluffy and delicate. And that lemon is such a bright little pop. These gnudi are rich and full of flavor.